In this video, I will show you that how to download and install OpenShot video editor, which is a free and open source video editing tool. If you have experience in Adobe Premiere or Adobe After Effects, you know they are paid software, and they are very professional, no doubt, but OpenShot is also a very professional but the main thing, it's a free and open source video editor, and it's available for different operating systems including Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS. So now today we will see that how we can download it and how we can install it. We will do one thing, like we will create a playlist of this, and this is the first video. So in the next videos of this playlist, I will also guide you how to edit videos, how to import assets and how to export. All these things in the next videos of this playlist I will explain, but in this video we will discuss the installation, downloading and installation method of OpenShot video editor. So we will open openshot.org. that is the official website of this video editor, and here you can see download. This is handcrafted with love and 100% free and open source. And have free and open source forever GPL version 3.0. So we will download this one, version 3.1.1, and because we are doing work in Windows, so they have detected, so it's showing me the Windows version. And if you are looking for a download different version of different operating system, you can download from here. So we will download for Windows. Thank you for downloading and supporting OpenShot, and the downloading process has been started. It's 188 MB. I will pause the video. Once the download will complete, then we will resume. So the setup has been downloaded and we will start it. So we will run the setup from here. Click yes and again click OK. I accept the agreement, next. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can check this option. So this is the easy method we can use to download and install OpenShot video editor. This green line should complete now. So the setup installation has been finished, and now launch OpenShot video editor if you want. So we can click on finish button and the OpenShot video editor will open now. See the desktop icon also we can see here. So it has been installed. As you know, we have completed the process, and see it has been open. So we have completed the process of downloading and installation of OpenShot video editor. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.